Welcome to Dr. Stevius's channel. Today, we're on a mission to unlock the secrets of a truly restful sleep. You see, so many of us unknowingly engage in habits that sabotage our sleep quality, leaving us feeling drained and sluggish the next day. We're diving deep into 5 common habits that might be secretly robbing you of those precious Z's. From late-night screen time to that tempting afternoon coffee, we'll uncover how these activities can wreak havoc on your sleep. But don't worry. We're also equipping you with practical solutions to reclaim your sleep sanctuary and wake up feeling refreshed. So, if you're tired of feeling tired, stick around because we're about to transform your nights and empower you to seize the day. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the smartphone on the nightstand. It's a common sight in most bedrooms today. In our hyper-connected world, it's become second nature to scroll through social media or binge-watch shows late into the night. We often lose track of time, engrossed in endless feeds and episodes, but those glowing screens emit blue light, tricking your brain into believing it's still daylight. This artificial light can be more disruptive than we realize. Blue light interferes with melatonin production, making it harder to fall and stay asleep. Melatonin is crucial for regulating our sleep-wake cycle. Studies show that even 2 hours of screen exposure before bed can significantly diminish melatonin levels. This reduction can lead to restless nights and groggy mornings. Establish a digital curfew. Power down your devices at least an hour before bed. This simple habit can make a big difference in your sleep quality. Use night mode or blue light filter settings on your devices if you must use them. These settings reduce the amount of blue light emitted, easing the strain on your eyes. Blue light blocking glasses can also help protect your melatonin production. They are a handy tool for those who need to use screens late at night. By implementing these strategies, you can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Consider reading a book or practicing relaxation techniques instead. Reclaim your sleep sanctuary for a more restful and restorative sleep. A bedroom free of electronic distractions can significantly improve your overall well-being. Let's be honest, many of us can't imagine starting our day without that comforting cup of coffee. It's a ritual that signals the beginning of a new day, a moment of peace before the hustle and bustle begins. Caffeine is a powerful stimulant that can boost our alertness and focus. It helps us shake off the morning grogginess and get into a productive mindset. But it's all about timing and moderation. Too much caffeine can lead to jitters and anxiety, while too little might not give you the boost you need. While a morning cup of coffee can be a welcome pick-me-up, consuming caffeine later in the day can sabotage your sleep. It's important to be mindful of when you have your last cup. Caffeine blocks adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes sleepiness. This is why it helps you stay awake and alert. The tricky part is that caffeine can linger in your system for several hours. Even if you don't feel its effects, it can still be there, affecting your sleep quality. To minimize caffeine's impact on your sleep, set a caffeine curfew. Avoid consuming it after 2 p.m. This gives your body enough time to process and eliminate the caffeine. If you're sensitive to caffeine, explore caffeine-free alternatives like decaf coffee or herbal teas. These can provide a similar comforting ritual without the stimulating effects. Remember, caffeine isn't just in coffee, it's also in sodas, energy drinks, certain teas, and even chocolate. These hidden sources can add up quickly. Be mindful of your overall caffeine intake, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. Check labels and be aware of how much caffeine you're consuming throughout the day to ensure it doesn't interfere with your sleep. Chapter 3. The Power of a Consistent Sleep Schedule. Imagine your body equipped with its own internal timekeeper, regulating your sleep-wake cycle. This internal clock is crucial for maintaining your overall health and well-being. That is your circadian rhythm, your body's natural 24-hour cycle. It responds to light and darkness, helping you feel alert during the day and sleepy at night. Keeping a consistent sleep schedule is like providing your circadian rhythm with a clear roadmap. It helps your body know exactly when to wind down and when to wake up. When you maintain a regular sleep-wake routine, your body knows when to initiate sleep-promoting processes. This includes the release of melatonin, the hormone that makes you feel sleepy. This promotes more restful sleep and easier awakenings. You wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. However, frequently changing your sleep schedule throws your circadian rhythm into disarray. This can lead to poor sleep quality and difficulty waking up. Start by setting realistic bedtime and wake-up times that align with your natural sleep-wake cycle. Make sure these times are practical and sustainable for your lifestyle. Gradually adjust your sleep schedule in small increments if needed. This helps your body adapt without causing too much disruption. Consistency is key. Even on weekends, try to stick to your sleep schedule as much as possible. This will ensure that your body remains in sync and you continue to enjoy the benefits of a good night's sleep. Chapter 4. Late Night Eating, a recipe for sleepless nights. We've all been there, that late night craving strikes and a snack before bed seems like an excellent idea, but late night eating can sabotage your sleep. Digestion requires energy and specific bodily functions. When you eat a large meal close to bedtime, your body works overtime to digest the food, diverting energy away from sleep. This can lead to discomfort, indigestion, and even acid reflux. To avoid this, finish your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. If hunger strikes before bed, opt for light, easily digestible snacks. Certain foods can even promote sleep due to their unique nutrient profiles. Think turkey, yogurt, oats, or a warm glass of milk before bed. Chapter 5. Alcohol and Sleep, a Complex Relationship. While a nightcap might seem like the perfect way to unwind, the relationship between alcohol and sleep is complex. Alcohol can initially create a sense of drowsiness, making it easier to fall asleep. However, this effect is short-lived and can lead to more fragmented and restless sleep. As your body metabolizes alcohol, it can trigger awakenings and night sweats. Alcohol disrupts the normal sleep cycle, particularly REM sleep. REM sleep is crucial for feeling refreshed and alert the next day. Alcohol is also a diuretic, leading to middle-of-the-night bathroom trips. If you enjoy an occasional drink, consume it earlier in the evening. Moderation is key. Limit your alcohol intake to avoid its sleep-disrupting effects. Outro: reclaiming your sleep sanctuary. So there you have it, 5 common habits that might be secretly sabotaging your sleep. By making small, sustainable changes to your daily routine, you can significantly improve your sleep quality. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a fundamental pillar of health. Prioritize sleep and make conscious choices to support your natural sleep-wake cycle. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Dr. Stevious's channel and share it with your friends and family. Sweet dreams, and here's to waking up feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day.